What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the unboxing of the Carbonio F430 front license plate mount. This is a pressure fit mount released by Carbonio, requires no screws, no mounting, no drilling into the bumper. Basically, it pressure fits onto the front diffuser of the Ferrari F430. Ideally, I'd like to have no front license plate, but here in British Columbia, Canada, it is a legal requirement. I had my car brought into the Ferrari Vancouver dealership just to get kind of a once over on it. Had some issues that I was experiencing with the transmission. Push comes to shove, I get a phone call late in the afternoon saying that the technician took the car out for a test drive to see if they could emulate the same issues we were having with the transmission and got pulled over by a police officer. I got busted for front license plate not being properly affixed, so no front license plate. Front window tint, which is also illegal here in British Columbia, and exhaust that was deemed to be too loud even though it was factory. I mean, it's a Ferrari, so the exhaust is gonna be loud. We're trying to remedy those issues. Tint is coming off next Thursday, which is a sad day, but it has to happen. But let's get to it. Unboxing the Carbonio front license plate for the F430. That. All right, so there it is. Pretty simple. You can order this on the Carbonio website. It is fucking expensive though. $379.99 plus tax. And I also ordered the Carbonio carbon paddle shifters. So we have to basically change the paddle shifters out. They're really long because the paddle shifters on the F430 are affixed to the hub. They don't move with the wheel. So the little ones that are on there right now, they're carbon fiber, but they're quite small. So when you're kind of in a corner and you need to shift, you've got to shift your hand around quite a bit. Not ideal. I guess that's it. That's what it looks like. So let's see how this actually mounts. Got my wife's, well, I bought it for my wife, but I actually use it all the time. I love this thing. Little screwdriver with retractable bits. Just unscrew this. Can unscrew that. And I think this goes underneath the car like this, so that wouldn't make sense. I think we mount this on the bottom like that. Probably gonna blur that license plate out. Or I'll get Mike too, because I'm technologically useless when it comes to this stuff. So is that even a word, technologically? It's gotta be a word, right? Pretty easy install as far as I can tell. There's no instructions. So it says, before proceeding, review and download full color installation manual. I don't think we need to do that. Seems pretty easy with just 2 screws. Actually, mounting to the car, I might want to look and see what that looks like. But there's also another mount that I was going to get. I still might get it. We'll see how this one looks. I think it'll be good for photos because this one's just pressure fit, which I'll show you. You can just pop it on and off pretty easily. The other one mounts into your tow hitch in the front. Like there's like a little spot where you can screw in a tow hook. Those to me look a lot better because they're kind of offset. All right. So let's get that in there. That's nice and tight. I'll tighten this bad boy. I'm a bit of anal when it comes to centering shit, so. Maybe it doesn't center perfectly. I'll make it close enough. Installed. So how this thing works is it's got these springs. This piece here has a little foam pieces so it doesn't scratch your front diffuser. Hooks onto that. You pull the hooks back and then it just pressure fits on the front. And then you have a front license plate. Easy install, easy removal. Take your car to the track if you just want to have nice photos done. I don't know, what else would you use it for? I don't know, just if you decide to be a rebel and not run with the front plate, it's easy install on and off. Let's go put it on and see how it works. All right. So there she is. In theory, no, perfect. One get. I don't know what Siri's doing here. Cancel Siri. I don't know if you can see the back of my bald head, but so now I think we just pull forward. And it should just sit like that. Is that centered? Not really. Does that look centered? No, it needs to go over this way a bit. Yeah, that's a bit too far. It's close enough, but it's on there. I'm legal. So that's it. Install the Carbonio pressure mount front license plate for the Ferrari F430. I guess we'll drive around, see if it falls off. It's gonna rain, and legit just washed the car. So, and yeah, I just got a text message from Karen from KZ Auto saying something about the car looks so good. I don't know what he's talking about, but I guess we'll see in the next message. So anyway, that's the review for today. Got my Italian flag behind me representing. Good luck.
Where the bass gets you moving, couple hits to the face. I know that I need time now.